Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Actually just finished my workout, leg workout. I got a pump. Yeah, this video is going to be exciting because I've got an announcement today. So I've got a big announcement. Finally, the 335i replacement is coming, guys. So I've actually placed a deposit on my new car. I'm really happy, and it's going to be good, guys. So I know it's been a while. It's been like a year since I've sold my BMW 335i, which was my pride and joy. But as I said, I had to go at the time, and yeah, thankfully I can announce that a new car's been, well, I've actually placed a deposit, put it that way, and hopefully this week I will go and collect it. I'm not going to tell you guys what car it is yet. You guys will find out on the collection video, but I'm going to give you guys a clue, okay? Something on me now, that's a clue. I'm not saying anything more than that. So guess in the comments, comment below what car you think it is. But the clue is something on me right now. That's all I'm going to give. So yeah, really looking forward, guys. Yeah, this is just an announcement. A new car is on the way. Hopefully next week there will be a collection video. And of course you guys will see the car. I'm really looking forward to it. It's a car that I think will be suitable for me. Well, I hope so anyways. And it's a car that actually done quite a bit of research in the last couple of months, I would say. I was debating if I should go for that car or for other car or for different brands, etc. But we'll talk more about all of that once I got the car. But for now, this is just an announcement, so please make sure you subscribe to the channel to see the collection video and updates, and to see all the info on the new car. And please give this video a thumbs up and comment below what car you think it is. So thanks guys for watching, and of course make sure your friends are subscribed. Tell your friends, share this video. Let's get this channel to 3k subs. We're quite near, so let's hit that goal, and hopefully guys you will enjoy the new car. So thanks for watching, guys. And of course, if you want to support the channel, if you do shopping through eBay, use the link in the description just to do your purchases through that link. Basically just click the link on the search, buy what you want. If you're buying something, it will help me as for the channel. So take care guys, and I'm looking forward to see you on the next good video. Bye now.